Have you ever wondered what makes a story stick with you? It's not just what happens, it's how it's told. Today, we're diving into 3 powerful tools every great story uses: plot, narration, and point of view. These aren't just technical terms. They're the secret ingredients behind unforgettable storytelling. These elements don't just tell us what happens, they shape how we experience a story. Let's take a closer look. Plot is the sequence of events in a story, often structured in 5 parts: exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. Here is where the characters are introduced, where tension builds, the story's turning point, where events move toward resolution, and finally, where the story concludes. Or doesn't. Now, plot doesn't exist in isolation. It's brought to life by how the story is told. Who's guiding us through the events? And is whose perspective we're seeing? Is it first person, where the narrator speaks as I, drawing us into their personal experience? Or third person, where the narrator observes the story from the outside? A narrator might even be knowing everything about every character or focusing on just one character's perspective. Take Anton Chekhov's The Lady with the Dog, for example. The narrator focuses on Gurov, showing us his internal conflict and emotions. The plot is simple, a love affair, but the narration makes it deeply personal, revealing how Gurov's feelings evolve over time. Now compare that to Franz Kafka's A Hunger Artist. Here the narrator is giving us a detached, all-knowing perspective. The plot, about an artist fasting for public spectacle, is surreal and cyclical. But the narration emphasizes isolation, showing how both the artist and society misunderstand each other. So why does this matter? Plot gives us the what, but narration and point of view show us the how and why. Together, they shape how we connect with the characters, themes, and emotions of a story. Next time you read, ask yourself, how are the events structured? Who's telling the story? And whose perspective are we seeing? These questions can help you unlock the deeper meaning behind any story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Follow for more insights into literature and storytelling.